I'd like to buy a house, but I don't think I can qualify. Does that sound like you? I can't begin to tell you how many times I've heard that over the years and have turned some of those folks into homeowners. I'll explain how when we come back. Danny Talks Real Estate starts now. Welcome back. I'm Danny Lopez, Realtor and host of Danny Talks Real Estate, where I bring you interviews, insights, and tips regarding all things real estate before, during, and after the sale. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more valuable real estate content. Joining me today is Tim Schnauz of the Tobias team with Fairway Mortgage. Today we're going to talk about people that disqualify themselves before they even get started on the home buying process, and folks that have tried to qualify with other lenders and been denied and have given up. So Tim, welcome. You and I have talked about this before.
Yeah.
We've had discussion about, being out in a social setting, family gathering, whatever, and we introduce ourselves as a real estate agent or a lender, and inevitably, oftentimes we hear, I'd love to buy a house, but I don't think I can qualify.
Yep.
They disqualify themselves because they don't think they have enough income, they don't know what their credit score is, and it kind of the deer in the headlights, and they simply don't take the next step. So oftentimes I ask them to give me a shot, I invite them to talk to you, and we've turned some of those into homeowners. So let's talk about that group first, and then we'll talk about some of the folks that have gone to other lenders, have been denied, and they gave up.
Yeah.
We've got a couple of those folks that we just closed in the last couple of months where they're now homeowners. So first, let's talk about the first group and what the process is when I send them to you.
Yeah, so the first thing we do is we get an idea of their situation, get an idea of their available funds, get an idea of what they're trying to buy, purchase price, monthly payment wise, and then we start going through the application. It's a matter of 5 minutes. We get their personal information, social, date of birth, talk about their income, employment history. Within that 5 minutes, we have a good idea based on their credit and income what options we have. From there, we can discuss the options, or if they're not currently in position to buy, we can put together a plan to let them buy in the next, say, 1 month, 2 months, sometimes longer depending on their credit, depending on their situation. But we're usually always able to put some plan together for them to buy.
Okay, but none of this happens without that initial first step.
It can't happen without that initial first step.
Right. So give me a call. We'll get you set up with Tim and get you rolling, but you need to take that first step. So the next group of folks are those folks that have gone to other lenders and have been denied and have pretty much given up on the idea of being homeowners. We get the ball rolling with them. I send them over to you, and we've got a few over the last few months that are now homeowners again. Why are you guys able to qualify some of these folks where other lenders couldn't?
Yeah, so a good portion of the clients that we've helped purchase homes were previously denied by another lender. The reason why other lenders, banks have restrictions and requirements that we as a direct mortgage lender do not have, which allows us to do loans based on credit, based on income issues that they may have over this other lender that other lenders cannot do.
A lot more flexibility.
A lot more flexibility
than other lenders don't have.
Yep, exactly.
That's perfect. Well, there you go. If you're thinking about buying a new home and have disqualified yourself, take that first step and let's get you into a home. If you've been denied a loan by another lender, give us a call. I'll get you connected with Tim and we'll get you into your next home. So that wraps up another episode of Danny Talks Real Estate, episode number 16. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share on Facebook, and keep those questions and comments coming. I'm happy to respond. Remember, when it comes to real estate, experience matters. Until next time.